Look at this stupid, idiotic design of a toilet. It works fine, but the owner wants to replace it because they don't know how to change the toilet seat. And quite frankly, I don't know either. So there's literally no way to get this off from back there. So basically, if you ever want to change this, you have to uninstall the entire toilet. Oh, cool. Oh, look at that. That's how you get it off. Oh, but they're stripped out. What a great design. Can't get that off. Okay, I sawzalled them off. That's all I could do. Couldn't get them off. So these, you unlock them like that, but you literally almost have to break this to get this to come off. You can see I bent it. Okay, so the way this works, there's these little, you can't really see it, but yeah, you can see it in that one. See the little wing on that? You got to stick your hand in there. You got to hold it, and then you tighten it with a screwdriver, because those will spin in there. It's a little bit too long, but that's as far back as it goes. So I don't even know. Ooh, that's loose. That's not good. Tighten that up. How does this toilet, that's way in the back, those holes. So the way I set that is by feel. I was kind of feeling around, but also I could still see where the old caulking was, and I just tried to line it up. Pretty idiotic though. Let's see if a little pumice will take that off. Probably not, but that's okay. Oh, made in China. And now, got these stupid things. They don't even go into anything. There's nothing in there. And when I did this, or removed it, they were just chilling in there like that. And it was just caulked. That's how it was chilling. So I'm gonna but you saw the flange. I mean, what do those go into? There's nothing for those bolts to go into, because they make those one flanges where they flush from the back and you drop them in, and then there's a tube and it goes. Those have little things that stick up off the flange, and you screw them in. But you saw the flange. Didn't have anything like that. Put a nice thick bead of clear caulk, my favorite. Will it work? Probably not. That's 10 times better. You can't even see it from back here. I could probably get it all out if I kept going, but I'm not even tripping over that. You can't see it right here. Works, dude. I got this off of Amazon. Meriton. It's probably from China. Works though.